Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the font size of the text on your Samsung Galaxy. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If the writing on your phone is too small or too big for you, you can change its size. It's quick and easy to do. Let me show you how. First, open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down and tap on Display. In the Display settings, scroll down to and tap on Font Size and Style. You can then use the bar at the bottom below Font Size to change the size of your phone's text. The font size will change immediately and will affect every piece of text on your phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.